So welcome to Pyramid Vastu Solution. Myself Jamuna Lakshmika, Pyramid Vastu scientific expert. Today let's understand before buying a plot or already purchased flat how it affects when it is in a different dimension except from square or rectangular. Okay. Suppose your plot is extended like this. So first you check which direction is extended. So there is positive direction, there is negative direction also. So which direction is extended? It is, if it is north is extended, it's very auspicious plot. Except northeast, any other direction you have to take and virtually cut whatever is extended. Only northeast plots extended like this, the northeast should come here. When you check as per the degree, only that is allowed. Apart from this, if it is east is extended. Okay, we'll take this is east and this is northeast and this is north. Suppose east is extended. Suppose this is the southeast. So what happens when this is extended? So this is less. So the south comes here. The south is cut. It, see, if I make the plot square like this, okay. So this remains cut for you. The south, southeast, east is deducted. So don't go for it. So what we can do here is, so from this line to this line, okay, install 9 pyramids from here till here. So we have to install 9 pyramids and virtually cut this whatever the extension is happened. So except northeast, even if it is east, even if it is north, southeast, south, southwest, please do this remedy. So as you can see in the picture, like I have showed you, we have done corrections for a lot of lands. So the house, if you, then comes the house vastu. First the land vastu has to be corrected, then comes the house vastu. The land, please install, I recommend you to install the original Jitin branded pyramids. Do not install, I don't recommend the other regular pyramids, because Jitin pyramids are done scientifically tested and proven pyramids, which has been done lot of research behind this pyramids to bring you the cosmic energy. This pyramids pyramid is made in particular direction and an angle to receive the cosmic energy, and this will help you to balance. So then a house energy run like this, square. So please contact us for more details. Thank you.